Now we do labeling of this P2 and P2 microstate table. This is P2 microstate table. You know already from the earlier videos. Now how to label? You have to consider first microstate how you have written in the table. So first microstate we wrote that is 1 plus 1 minus. Okay. Now for this microstate, what is the ml value? That is plus 1. What is the ms value? That is 0. So this ml is nothing but L and this ms is nothing but capital S. If you remember RS term writing. Okay. So if this is a plus 2, you know from these L values D is equal to 2 is equal to L is equal to 2. That symbol will be D. Right. Now how to write RS term? All of you know. 2s plus 1 and j will not write right now because we'll just write spin multiplicity total and symbol. So all of you know s is 0. If we substitute s is 0, 2 into 0 plus 1, so it will come, symbol will be 1d. That first RS term will be in the table 1d. Now we have to see the total multiplicity. Total multiplicity, I'll write in short, total multiplicity of this RS term. Okay, now how to get that? For this we have formula. 1d is equal to 2l plus 1 into 2s plus 1. Okay, just simply multiplication. Now here all of you know 2 into L value is 2. 2 into 2 plus 1 and already 2s plus 1 we have calculated into 1. So it will come 5. Okay, that means this 1D RS term we can write for 5 microstates which are in the same column. And if you see in this NP2 microstate table, there are only 5 blocks in 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 where MS is 0, right? So all these microstates will have this 1D symbol. So doesn't matter where you are writing, you have to write in that block. Okay, so this we have labeled. Now we have to see next, which is the next microstate which is unlabeled. So after this we have written this one and 0 in the ml is equal to 1 and ms is equal to also 1. So what symbol will come? 1 plus 0 1. If L is equal to 1, symbol is S. Okay, sorry, I'm sorry, symbol is P. L is equal to 1, symbol will be P, right? And S is equal to 1. So we have to substitute again 2s plus 1 formula which gives us total multiplicity. If I substitute 2 into 1 plus 1, so it will come 3. 3p, right? And again we have to find out total multiplicity of this 3p. Okay, so 3p will have 2 into 1 plus 1, same formula, 2l plus 1 into 3, 2s plus 1. So it will come 2 plus 1, 3 into 3. So it will be 9. Answer will be 9. That means we can label this 3p label to 9 microstates in the table. So if you see from plus 1 to minus 1, all blocks, those blocks will be 9. That means whatever table we have constructed, that is correct. So label 9 microstates from plus 1 to minus 1 and those are 9 blocks only. So whatever we are doing is correct. So this is 3p, this is 3p. We are going to write for each microstate label. Now just check which microstate is left with the label. All we have done. 9 plus 5, how much is that? That is 14. Total microstates are 15. So only one is unlabeled. And this is in this block. ML is equal to 0 and MS is equal to 0. If ML is 0, label is S. So we'll write here somewhere to adjust. And ms is 0, substitute that 0 in 2s plus 1 formula. So 2 into 0 plus 1, it will come 1. So that that RS term will be 1s. So next RS term is 1s. And for 1s, if you write total multiplicity of that 1s RS term, it will come 0, 1. Okay. So if we conclude, we have done 1D, first RS term derived, which we can write for 5 microstates in this column. One more thing, whatever RS terms we generate in the middle, I mean neutral column where MS is 0, that we have to write in only that column. But whatever RS terms will generate in the first itself column, that we have to write in all the blocks, that you have to keep in mind. Okay, so 1D is for 5, 3P is for 9 microstates, and 1 is for 1 microstate. So total RS terms derived for this configuration, I'll just so how many RS terms we have derived? 1D, 3P and 1S. These are the three. So this has multiplicity 5 plus 9 plus 1. So total will come 15. So all we have labeled. Now from this we have to write ground state term symbol. Okay. And how to write ground state term symbol? Ground state term symbol. Okay. And which is nothing but ground RS term. We can say that. Or term symbol for that configuration NP2. Now how to get that? From these three RS terms, this 3P is the ground state term symbol, because 3P has maximum spin multiplicity and followed by maximum orbital multiplicity. First we have to check which RS term has maximum spin multiplicity. So from these three, 3P has maximum spin multiplicity, therefore that is ground state term symbol for NP2 configuration. If you remember, we have done earlier RS terms, and we have done for all configurations of P. I mean P1, NP1, NP2, NP3, NP4, NP5, NP6, and all D and all F and all S. So if you remember, for P2 configuration, how to get RS term, and that time what was the answer? Then that answer was 3P. So this way we derive RS terms for any combination of electrons in orbital. Now this is the microstate table and labeling for NP2 configuration. I mean 2P2, 3P2, 4P2, any P orbital with 2 electrons. Thank you.